Hello everyone, Dale Brooks here, and today we're back on a video about the Rockabye Explosion update. And I'm so sorry for the delayed video of the stop motion of the Rockabye Explosion because I've been busy on school and stops. And this is the second update of my Lego Rockabye Explosion. As you can see, we have some beautiful updates. Let's start on center stage. If you see it, there's now a blue backdrop over them, just like the left and right stage. And they have some side curtains, fake side curtains. And they are on Halloween costumes. For the Halloween costumes, I'm going to start on Rolf and Daryl. And decorations too. As you can see, there is some decorations on them. Like this pumpkin, this withered skeleton from Minecraft, this Ninjago snake. Now in the background there is a sign saying Happy Halloween and a ghost. And on the costumes we have Rolf on a suit with orange thing, and it has been replaced with this to hit the symbol. And Earl, sadly, I have no costume. Oh no. Okay, we're back. On Earl, sadly, we have no costumes yet because I'm still not done on him. That's for the right stage. Now let's go for the center stage again. Okay, the center stage. Let's start on Duke LaRue. He has a white cape and some spider webs on his drums. Yeah, that's about Duke LaRue's costume. Pretty simple, right? Just what? A t-shirt. Now let's go. Choo choo. Yes, only an Among Us head. Yeah, Among Us head. Oh, and on Pat's, he's still not done yet. I'm supposed to put him a cape over his back, so he's going to be a superhero. As you can see, he has a superhero mask, and he has what? A generic costume, suit. And now let's go on Beach Bear. Okay, Beach Bear is it's supposed to be a mummy, but it's still not done on him. As you can see, he has supposed to be what? The tissue papers. Yeah, obviously it's tissue papers. And I put these things around his neck so it could look like that. And a pumpkin here and a head. I don't know why did I put that. And there's also a snake here on center stage, and like a blood thing. Okay, let's go to Mitzi Mozzarella. Yes, a slight costume on the that what suit. So it's supposed to be a dress, but I'm still not done on him yet. I'm supposed to put black and orange too here. It's only black and orange, sadly, and not all the way around like Rolf and Earl. I'm Rolf. And there's a cape on Rob's back too. I forgot to say that. Oh, come on. And that's only for Mitzi Mozzarella. Sadly, for the props like Sun, Antioch, and Moon, I have no decorations on them yet. Yes, yet. Now let's go to the lab stage. Finally, we're almost done. On the lab stage, let's go to decorations first. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Billy Bob, Jasmine Peaks. Okay, on Billy Bob, we only have like Mitzi Mozzarella, but a light cooler. Because there's black, orange, and orange. There's more black, orange on this one other than Mitzi Mozzarella's. And it's full body. Kinda. Yeah, let's not talk about that. And there's a pumpkin here which is always there. And for decorations on stage, I put a ghost in the back and a skeleton from Minecraft. It's supposed to be a pumpkin here, but I forgot where did I put it. Like, bro, where did I put that? Sorry for my grammar here. Sorry for my grammar, guys. Now let's go to Lonely Bird. Also, there is a ghost here, and we have some tissue paper on Lonely Bird's bottle. Supposed to be a cobweb, and here's Lonely Bird. There's no decorations on him, sadly, just like a hat, which is from Summer of Billy Bob's. It's Billy Bob's hat. Do you remember, guys, if you watch my part 1 update? And that is the update 2 of my Lego Rocket Park explosion. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm so sorry for not posting much. I just have been very busy on school, and a lot busy some things too. And for the next video, it's definitely going to be diagnostic or stop motion video. One of those two. Yep, one of those two. One is stop, and maybe a stop motion video of a song. Aha, I hope so. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.